In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a destination on the Waze Live map. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is fully loaded, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the window. This is where you can type in website addresses directly, enter waze.com live map, then press enter on your keyboard to load the page. Give the website a moment to open. The Waze Live map is a web-based version of Waze that lets you explore locations and search for places right from your browser. This can be especially useful if you want to quickly look up a destination on a larger screen or get a better visual sense of where a place is located before heading out. When the page finishes loading, look to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the search box there. Click inside that box so you can begin entering the location you want to find. Make sure the box is active before typing, especially if the map is still finishing any background loading. Now type your desired destination address into the search box. Try to be as complete and accurate as possible when entering the address, since that will help Waze return the most relevant result. For example, including the street number, street name, city, and any other important location details can make your search more precise. After you've entered the address, press enter on your keyboard. Waze will then search for that destination and display the result on the map. In most cases, the map will automatically move to the location and highlight it for you, making it easier to confirm that you've searched for the correct place. If needed, take a moment to look over the result on the map and make sure the destination matches what you intended to enter. This is a good habit, especially when searching for places with similar names or addresses that may exist in more than one area. And that's all there is to it. By opening Chrome, going to the Waze Live map, clicking the search box, entering your destination address and pressing enter, you can quickly locate a place right from your browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.